Hi everyone, my name is Cassidy Terry and this is my slide presentation for Comm130. I chose the friend request ad campaign by Misu, which is a Venezuelan cat food company. This is the original ad. So the original ad features a black and white image of a cat on a street with a friend request notification above it. The company logo and tagline is featured on the right and says, "There's a friend request you won't regret accepting, adopt." And then it includes their logo and website information. So now we go into the analysis of the original ad. We're going to start with color. The black and white image here is really key to making this ad work. Because the image is black and white, that bright red notification really pops. Without the use of color, you might not know where to look. So the red automatically draws the eye to the cat and the notification. Then you have the coordinating colors of the logo and tagline. So the tagline pulls that same turquoise color from the logo for its text. And when paired with that gray rectangular background, it makes it really bright and easy to read. Next up is repetition. If you look closely at the font of the logo, you'll notice that it's a rounded sans serif. This rounded feel is continued with the round edges on the triangle of the nose of the logo, the round edges on the notification box, and the rounded edges for the rectangle that the logo is set on top of. So all of these rounded edges are repeated and make the design feel very cohesive. One of the design elements that helps make this ad visually appealing are the leading lines in the photo. So the lines really guide your eye down the street and right to the cat. The other design element I wanted to highlight is the strong alignment of the tagline and logo on the right. It helps create good visual hierarchy and keeps the information organized, and it has good spacing all around the text. Here's my new ad that I've created to fit in with the friend request ad campaign. As we look at the consistency, the new ad is also black and white. It's a cat on a city street, and it has a bright colored, easily recognizable friend notification. The coloring and the feel of the new ad matches that of the original ad. More consistencies include the leading lines in the photo, the same logo and tagline with strong alignment. The font is similar, the spacing is similar, and it really feels like it would fit in with the same ad campaign. In conclusion, the last slide says, "Your new friend awaits, adopt, don't shop," which sums up the message of this ad campaign promoting pet adoption. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to reading your comments.